we got a big day today, guys. So, first things first, oh gosh, alignment for the 240. Obviously, we're in the Z right now, but first time driving the 240 this year, and this is also me the first time that I drive it in the salt. As you guys can see, roads are not ideally clean. At least it's not wet. So, we're almost at the shop, and we'll get the car ready to go. I was prepping it all last night, kind of did a bunch of little stuff here and there. All of it was kind of off camera just because it was just little kind of tiny stuff you guys don't really want to watch. But also did a little bit of tuning. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have seen we were kind of messing a little bit of a tuning stuff. But yeah, we're almost at the shop. Let's get there. Let's get the 240 line, and we have a bunch of other stuff we got going on today, so it's gonna be a good one. Alright, so now, well, I guess not really moment of truth, it's been alive before, but let's go ahead and start this thing. Oh, let it warm up a little bit. It is chilly today. It's like 14 out this morning. Kind of over it, to be honest. Kind of messed with it a little bit, not nearly as rich. It was like in the 9s on a cold start, so a whole lot better. Woo, that G2 carbon trim though, goddamn. Welcome outside in the sun. Oh man, I mean it's super dirty, kind of disregard that, but damn, she is outside, my guys. She is outside. Woo! Let's get this exhaust done, and alignment, and a couple other things, but you'll see for that. Oh man, oh dearie me, this color is so good in the sun, dude. It's like purple and royal. Oh man, it's so good, it's so good. So dirty, but it's so good. All right, so dude, the head cam is so baller. All right, we're a little late, so sorry if I don't get too much content for you guys on this journey there, but we'll be pretty much driving this thing all day. Kind of bummed out, not too bummed out, but oh, it's loud because it's like salty and crap. Oh wow. It is loud, man. Holy hell. Woo! Oh man. Oh, that's salt, bro. No. 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 Oh, it hurts my soul. My heart. My soul. Oh, feels good. Woo! We back. Oh, yeah. We're gonna take it nice and easy this one, gentlemen. The alignment's pretty damn solid, bro. Oh, we're gonna get checked anyways. Alright, let's get there. We got about a 30-minute drive, man. Alright, little status update. We're about 5 minutes away. Everything's going well. At first I was like, oh, but what's that? What's that? What's this? What's that? You know what I mean? Like, I feel like every time you kind of drive a car for the first time after messing with it, I have to bleed the brakes again for sure. But you always kind of have that, you know, obviously you hope nothing's gonna happen, but you're like, you know, let's make sure we're all good here. So all seems good, guys. So we're about a couple minutes away. Let's get this thing aligned and on to the next stop. Shut her down before the eyes start to bleed. Alright guys, so we are here. Obviously, we've been here before. You guys know the deal. RT Design and Fabrication. Follow the man on Instagram, Ross Welds. We are here. He's helping me out with a couple little things on 240s. Obviously, well, first off, you guys probably would have seen where we kind of just, you know, polished up our whole exhaust, well, part of our exhaust. So after we fitted up, we noticed that it was just kind of resting up on the rear fairing, and we can't have that because obviously, first off, it probably melt the wrap a little bit, and you know, it's just not a good look. So getting the hangers modified a little bit today. Currently, we're rocking open downpipe. You guys saw the video, but I didn't show you this. But check out my little. Oh, you can't see the ratchet strap in there, but yeah, my downpipe is currently held in by a ratchet strap. We have our shifter here because, long story short, have a KA transmission in the car now with an RB bell housing with that setup 2 inches longer, so that means custom drive shaft, and also obviously the shifter is positioned 2 inches further back. So today we're gonna go ahead and get the shifter modified so it actually sits in a factory position, so it's not kind of, I guess, an eyesore in the interior. So let's get her done. Today we are knocking off a lot of things on our list before the trip, so can't complain about that.
Ooh, that's warm. That is warm.
Quick plug, if you guys have not yet grabbed your Calvin's Garage sticker, link in bio. There she is. Good as new.
The lines weren't square enough for me.
The lines weren't good enough. They weren't CAD enough. It's alright. So yeah, clearly we had to notch this out a little bit because now the way our shifter's set up. Oh yeah, so as you guys can see, don't mind my nastiness here. Basically, if you can get you a good angle there, you can kind of see what we did there. Just 2 inches forward, that's all. But she is working like a glove. Bit of modification needed. Had to splice and chop some stuff out, but totally works. Still functional. Look at the finesse. That was a sweet shot. Just gotta
Watch your head.
yeah, that's my head.
Different one. I found a different one, but it's like the same thing.
Oh boy.
Shit. I wish I could.
Oh dear.
I wish the bottom was bigger.
Like
The Calvin's Garage. I wish the banner was bigger.
That's gonna look crazy.
It's gonna look
It's gonna be crazy, dude. That's better. Oh baby, what's going on here? Oh boy. Oh dear. Is it going down over here? Oh man, dude. What? Oh man.
Yes.
Oh man.
Fucking awesome.
That's baller. By the way, if you guys need any stickers, decals, anything, even if you're not local, hit this man's up. Info below.
Yes.
Shit. People might just love this. People might love that. Alright, that's it. We are out of here. I think so. Exhaust is in. We're backing her out. For the first time it actually sounds how it should, which will be great. Whoa! Whoa! What's that back there? Alright. Much better. Much better. home. Oh man, oh wow, feels really good to drive it. That was a bit of two-step anti-lag, by the way. Just a couple clouds of black smoke. Speak of anti-lag though, we were gonna do this yesterday, but tomorrow, well, not when we are in Virginia, because we're doing a 2-day stop. We're stopping in Virginia on the way to Atlanta. While we're there, we're gonna go ahead and try and get some we are gonna get some flames pouring out of this thing. So it's gonna be a whole lot of cool content coming up here shortly, guys. Who doesn't love fire out of the back of a car? You know what I mean? So yeah, but she did well. You know, after I kind of got over the whole like paranoia fact, it's looking really good. Car feels great. We went ahead and got everything done that we needed to. Exhaust is on, shifter's fixed. I got my audio stuff. We got some speakers to install. And yeah, I mean, we're getting there, boys. First drive of the year, very successful.